Hey y'all, YouTube is changing their monetization requirements. What does it mean for small channels like mine? What does it mean for my fellow gardeners? What does it mean for small content creators? Today I want to go through what it means for them and what it might mean for you as a viewer. First off, I want to dispel one myth. You may be watching this as a viewer of my channel. You're not a gardener, you garden a little bit, you're not a content creator. Let me tell you what the YouTube's monetization requirements are now and what they're going to be and how it might impact you. Right now, YouTube has two levels of ways to earn money on YouTube. Both require 1,000 subscribers. I have that. The second level, or the second requirement, is at 3,000 watch hours, you can form memberships on your channel. You can plug merch. You can do those kinds of things to raise money. Beyond that, to get money from ads on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours. Watch hours are only counted if they're long form videos. Shorts don't count. There are separate requirements for those. So if you're watching a small channel like mine, how can you help us reach that goal? Watch our long form videos. What are the new YouTube requirements going to be? The new YouTube requirements still maintain that 1,000 subscriber limit. You have to reach 1,000 subscribers. The other more important thing is that the watch hour requirement is going from 4,000 to 8,000. It's doubling. It's really difficult as a small content creator on YouTube to reach 4,000. It requires commitment and a lot of discipline to get out there, make videos, push videos. So these requirements don't take effect until February of 2027. So in the meantime, two things are likely to happen. One is smaller YouTube channels like mine may get disappointed. Your fellow garden channels that you watch that are smaller may get disappointed and stop creating content because they're not going to reach that 8,000 watch hour requirement. That means the channels that you watch to help with gardening, homesteading, cooking, all of those things may go away. The other thing that's going to happen, and that I hope happens, is that small channels like mine, instead of getting disappointed, they're going to get determined. They're going to want to reach that 4,000 hour mark before it changes in February 2027 because they'll be grandfathered in. That's my plan. I'm not getting disappointed. I'm going to create more. I need those watch hours, and the monetization helps. Monetization helps me buy better equipment, better editing equipment, a better phone for my cameras that I shoot with, better storage space, more storage space, so that I can continue to create content on gardening and homesteading for my YouTube followers. So that's the impact that YouTube's channel requirements, monetization requirements, are going to have. So even if you don't create content, if you're a subscriber or a watcher, please hit that watch button. Watch playlists. Share playlists with your friends and family. It makes a difference for those channels that you subscribe to and that you watch. If you're a content creator and you have a small garden channel, like I do, on YouTube, I hope you don't get disappointed. I hope you don't let YouTube's monetization requirement change put you in a funk and make you decide that it's just not worth it to try. Here's a couple of things you can do to help get your watch hours up. This is by no means an exhaustive list. It's just what I came up with off the top of my head and things that I'm going to do to get my watch hours up so that I can hit that 4,000 watch hours before February of 2027. I've got 6 months. I'm going to get determined and I'm going to make it. The first thing, the ABCs. Always be creating. I'm going to create content. I'm going to create long videos on a more regular basis. Consistency is key here. If you're not creating at least one short video a week, you're falling short. You're not going to make your hours. I calculated how many watch hours I need by the number of days, and it gave me a number of how many watch hours I need every day. I'm doing everything I can to reach that goal. Number 2, the second thing I'm doing, end screens. I wasn't too concerned with end screens. I didn't really understand the impact that they have. I do now. End screens can link to an individual video, or they can link to a playlist. If you link to a playlist, it's pretty likely your followers will watch every video in that playlist. It's like binging on Netflix. If you don't have your YouTube videos in a playlist, create playlists on your channel. Put your videos in there. End screens can link to those playlists instead of individual videos. So make use of playlists. Make use of the tools that YouTube is giving you to increase your watch hours. The third thing is something I'm not very good at, and that's asking for viewers to watch and subscribe and share my videos. I don't do it regularly. It feels uncomfortable. It's not. Go ahead and do it. Ask for people to watch your videos and your playlists. They won't do it unless you ask, and it never hurts to ask, right? We learned that as kids when we used to bug our parents about something. The answer is always going to be no unless you ask. Number 4. And this one is something I hesitated to do, but I finally did it last week, and it's paying off in my watch hours. I sent an email or a text message to everybody in my contact list. Old business partners, friends, family, anybody I could think of. I linked to a playlist, not just my channel, and I asked them to please watch. I explained that I needed their help, and I wasn't going to reach my YouTube monetization goals without it. The response has been overwhelming. They've watched, they've liked, they've subscribed, they've commented. All those things increase my watch hours and encourage other viewers to watch. Consider doing that. I also posted on other social media sites and did the same thing. Facebook, Instagram, all of them. Ask people to watch your channel, and specifically your playlists. Provide a link, make it easy for them. People will respond, and they will watch. They'll comment, they'll like, they'll subscribe, they'll do all those things if you just ask them to. Finally, and this is maybe the most important thing, we're creating some great content. We're helping gardeners with their gardens, we're helping them with their chicken keeping and their homesteading and all of those things. Don't get discouraged. Don't give up. We can reach our goals if we all help each other to do it. I spend time every day watching my other fellow coast-to-coast collaborators so they can reach their goals. We're not all monetized. We want to be, because we want to be able to provide better content for you. So reach out, watch other channels, watch mine. I really appreciate that. And don't get discouraged. You can do it. We can all do it together. We just have to buckle down, always be creating, and plug those playlists. Come on, you guys, let's get there together. Thanks for dropping by the Hippie Chick Homestead. I appreciate all of your support, whether you're just a casual viewer, whether you just happened upon this video, whatever, if you're another content creator who supports my channel. I appreciate all of your support and your time. Thanks so much. Take care, y'all.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Take care, y'all.